So I'm going to read this problem to you.
Okay.
If you need me to read it slow, or you need me to stop, tell me to stop. Or if you need me to read it again, let me know, okay? So we'll start. Will had 7 marbles. His father gave him 5 more marbles. How many marbles did he have now? So, I'm going to help you. You can break it down. What's the first thing that you heard? How many marbles did he have at the beginning?
He had 7.
7. Okay. Then his father gave him 5.
5 more.
Okay. So now, how many marbles does he have now?
Here's what his father gave him.
Okay.
This is what he had. So connect them together. So now I'll just count them in my head.
Okay.
Yeah, 12.
Okay. You can write it down. And then tell me, what did you do at the beginning? These are called cubes.
Yeah.
How many did you have at the beginning?
I had 7.
7 cubes. Okay. And then what did you do?
And then my father gave me 5 more.
Okay. So you grabbed the cubes.
Yeah, the cubes, and then connect them together. Then that's how I counted in my head.
Okay. Is there a different way that you could do it? Can you think of any other ways that you can do it?
Not really.
Not right now?
No.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. What were the important keywords that you heard? When I read the problem to you, what were the important things that helped you solve the problem?
So,
what was the important things? What did you need to know in order to solve the problem?
I had to know how many was in these blocks, in these cubes.
Okay, thank you. You ready for the next one?
Yeah.
All right. There were 10 kids on the playground.
Okay.
5 more came to the playground.
Oh, I already know what's the answer.
How many kids are in the playground now?
There's 15.
There's 15. Good job. So tell me, what did you do now?
So, there's 10 kids playing.
Uh-huh.
And then 5 more came. And then I already know it was 15 because 10 plus 5 is 15.
15. So that you already know that automatically in your head, you know 10 plus 5 is 15.
Yeah.
But I saw something very interesting. When you did the first problem, you had 12 cubes together.
Yeah.
And you only grabbed, how many did you grab?
3.
3 more. So you already knew that 12 that you had in your hand plus 3 was how much?
15.
Good job. That was really interesting, Adam. So then you were able to tell what it equals without even counting each other. Okay, I'm going to give you another one. Sandy had 10 pencils.
Okay.
She gave 3 of the pencils to her friend. How many pencils does she have left?
So she had 10 pencils. Right here is 10. And then this is what she gave. It says it has 12.
At first, we have to start with how many? How many did she have at first? She had 10 pencils.
Yeah.
This one you have 15 from the previous problem.
Yeah. So I need to remove 2. 10.
Okay.
And then
She gave 3 to her friend.
7.
7. Okay. How would you write that on the paper? She had 10 pencils.
Yeah. She had 10 pencils and then
She gave 3 away. How would you write that on this piece of paper?
I'll just write it like same, like this.
Okay. And I know our class is a bilingual class, but do you know how to say this in English?
Yeah.
Okay. What does that sign mean?
That means minus.
Good job. Minus. Okay. Let me know when you're ready for the other one.
Okay,
You
I'm
ready?
ready.
Okay. Jesus had 6 balloons.
Okay.
2 of them popped. How many balloons did not pop?
Okay. Let me use these blocks. So he had 6 balloons.
He had 6 balloons. And then what are you doing right now?
Putting 6 right here.
6 cubes connected, okay.
So 3 popped.
2 of them popped.
Okay.
Okay, so what did you do there?
I took off these.
The 2 that popped, okay. How many balloons did not pop?
4.
4, okay, good job. And then write it down. Can you read what you wrote to me? Can you read it?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So 6 minus 2 is 4.
Good job. Is there a different way that you could solve this? Could you draw a picture?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you draw a picture for me?
Yeah. So I put the picture right here. So this is him. And then here's the 4 that didn't pop. And then here's the ones that popped.
Okay. And then total together, they were how many?
4.
They were 4 that did not pop. And how many did he have at the beginning?
He had 6.
6. Good job. I do like your picture. It's a good picture. Okay. Frida has 12 black shoes.
Oh, okay. We read this book.
And 6 white shoes. How many more black shoes than white shoes does she have?
Here's 4. Here's the 6 white shoes.
Okay. If you want, you can put it on this paper.
Yeah.
You can label it. What does that mean? It means white.
White. 4 right here. Just need 2 more. I think they're already having lunch.
No, they're not. I have the time.
Oh.
I'm not going to let you miss your lunch. I promise.
Yeah, 12.
12? Okay. So 12 black shoes. And she has 6 white shoes.
Yeah.
So these are your black shoes.
Yeah.
Now you need what shoes?
Wait.
The white shoes.
These fell. Here's her 6 white shoes.
Okay. So put them together because we're going to compare. If you put them like this, you compare them like this next to each other. Vamos a comparar.
Okay.
Frida has 12 black shoes.
Yeah.
She has 6 white shoes.
Yeah.
How many more black does she have than the white ones? ¿Cuántos más negros tiene que los blancos?
Okay. So I see that 12 is bigger than 6.
Mm-hmm.
And so if we count them together, let me just count in my head.
Okay.
She has 18 shoes.
18 total.
18.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna do one last one.
Okay.
Gabriel has 7 markers.
7 markers. Okay.
Nancy has 3 markers.
Okay.
How many more does Gabriel have than Nancy?
Yes. He has 7, and Nancy only has 3.
3, okay.
So 7 is way more bigger than 3.
Okay. ¿Cuántos más tiene Gabriel que Nancy?
So if we count them together, so there's 10 if we connect them.
Okay.
I hadn't did the other thing right here.
You can write it right now. How would you write it on a piece of paper?
I'll just put I'll put 12 plus 6 is 18.
Okay. Could you tell me when I asked you the last question,
Okay.
what were they asking for in the end? What did they want to know?
You want to know how many did Gabriel had and Nancy?
Okay. Are there different ways that you can solve the problems? Because you showed me with the cubes.
Yeah.
You showed me on the paper.
And I showed you the picture.
With the picture. Okay. Is there any other ways that you know how to solve it?
Yeah.
What other ways? Can you tell me? Maybe you can use your fingers.
I don't really know now.
No, it's okay. Well, thank you, Adam, for helping me with this.
Okay.